Before I go ride, I have a checklist of things that I go through to make sure my bike is ready to go, especially if it's the first ride of the year. Prepping for the season includes more than just the bike, but the gear too. There's a lot of different options when it comes to looking for an exhaust. We've got Yoshimura, Pro Circuit, FMF, and more, and each one adds power in a different place. For 4-stroke exhausts, we have stainless steel and titanium. Stainless steel may be a little bit heavier, but a little bit less expensive. The titanium is a little lighter, but a little more expensive. As far as 2-stroke exhausts, we've got nickel plated or a raw finish for that factory look. Another thing you want to think about whenever you're buying a new exhaust is keeping up with the packing. You can buy a repacking kit for cheap and it's well worth it. If not, your exhaust is going to get pretty hot and it is not going to last long.